There's nothing edgier than unexpected flavor combos like sweet and savory and retro and rad. And who better than to cook up some fun with me? 4th generation Wish Farms, Nick and Al. Nick
Oh,
Wishnowski.
fancy meeting you here, Emily. How are you, everybody? I'm Nick Wishnowski, part of Wish Farms, Wishnowski family. And I'm excited to be here because we're cooking up some fun.
That's
we're getting
right.
ready for Pixie Rock, our 100th anniversary. And
Yeah, November 12th, it's gonna be all rock and roll, food, fun, and some spirits, but we'll get to that later. Now, speaking of music, the music scene in Nashville is pretty rad, if I do say so myself.
rocking, yeah.
Yeah, so
Yes.
I'm gonna riff on that a little.
I love it.
Okay.
This is like one of my favorite recipes. I love this dish.
So tasty.
Yeah.
And with some Wish Farms berries, over the top delicious. So, Nick, I'm gonna teach you how to make it.
Teach me.
Yes,
Teach me.
Yes, and the audience, everybody, Wish Farms, check out the website. The recipes are there, and
If I can do it, anyone can do it. Trust me.
it's really good. Okay, guys, so I've already made the cornbread waffles. Now, I've also put blueberries in the waffle batter because, I mean, that
You
just
have to.
elevates it, right? And then I fried up some fried chicken. So here we go. I'm gonna take some fried chicken.
Am I gonna get to do it or what?
Oh yeah, am I taking over? I'm gonna
You're
feed
taking-
you at the end, okay?
Okay, fine.
Okay, I'll let you do the rest. Yes, fried chicken. And this is actually a blueberry brine fried chicken. Now I could go into that more, but let me just tell you, blueberries with like black pepper, star anise, and that is what we're actually gonna talk about as the piece de resistance on the pickled blueberry topping. Okay, but I use that juice to brine the chicken. Now you can do that, or you can just get your favorite Publix if you like. You know,
That's
it's whatever.
Probably what I would do.
But no, but this is key.
Okay.
The Nashville hot oil. Now you take your fryer oil, you mix it in with some Wish Farms berries, and then you spice it up with paprika, cayenne, and all those like warm, like pow, yes. Now brush this, I'm not gonna do any more. Brush this over
Okay.
your fried chicken.
Like with the chunks of the stuff?
I
or
mean,
just go with it.
they are Wish Farms berries. You are representing here.
On top of
yeah,
it.
and just kind of like glaze it over top.
Okay.
It's nice and hot and sizzling.
Some of the chunks.
Oh yeah, it's good. It's gonna be like smoky and hot. And then you're gonna put the top of your waffle
So
on.
I'm going a little overboard with the berries.
I know, you're
Can't
like,
help myself.
he's
you know?
gonna breathe fire tonight, everybody. Okay, put the top on.
Okay.
And then I also made a strawberry hot sauce. Now, yeah. So put as much or as little on as you'd like. And then I think what I like is that kind of, yeah, you're
I'm gonna be like,
breathe
you know,
fire,
yeah.
But that's for the B-roll, okay? Then take some of these pickled blueberries and then some pickles, and that'll just kind of like hold it together. Nick, we're gonna ask you to eat this on camera. Okay, maybe not.
I'll do it.
We can, okay. I'll just go in here, or maybe we should just like cut that together. What do you think?
Okay, let's do that.
Should we go in there? Cause, well, I don't know.
This one looks more.
I don't know, let's go.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, I'm gonna help you out here. And we'll just take like little nibbles, I think.
Okay.
That's the way to go. Okay, here, Nick. Let me get you started. It's gonna be spicy. It's gonna be good. He's my guinea pig. I'm just gonna dip into the hot Nashville oil. Don't you wanna make this at home? The whole thing. You taste the blueberry in the chicken?
So good.
I know you're all drooling. The cameraman back there is like, I know there's more. Please get the recipe at wishfarms.com, and we will see you at Pixie Rocks,
Pixie Rock.
November 12th. And Nick and I will be eating and drinking and listening to music and double dipping.
All day long.